cold. Yeah, this one will part out because that got pretty beat up.
So these are the chickens that we harvested yesterday. So that was Monday, 7/1. Today is Tuesday the 2nd. Taking them out of the ice bath.
Yeah.
Been in there for 24 hours. Amy will go through and QC them, make sure nothing was missed yesterday. Then after that, we'll let them dry a little bit more. And then we'll pack them up, step by step. So over there in the green bowls, are the hearts and the livers from yesterday. Well, those are also feet. We're not going to eat those directly, but we'll use those. So hearts and livers for dinner tonight, along with one of these chickens.
And a smoked neck bone from one of the pigs.
Awesome. Might catch some content
Kind
of
of
that.
like a chicken cordon bleu type thing.
All right.
Those can just get bagged up, I think.
So the bagging of the feet, just put them all in one bag?
Yeah, I would think so. Or maybe 2 bags.
No, I'll do them all in one. There's not many. Less than 20. Oh yeah, that's only one bag. Could have been a small bag even. Full bag, if you would.
Alright, where do you want the ones that are... You want to just pile them up here?
I guess.
Okay. This one will part out because they got pretty beat up in the pork.
Now why are you parting that one out?
Because it got beat up in the plucker.
Gotcha. So by the looks of it, what we got? 2, 3 that you're gonna part out?
1, 2, 3. Yeah, maybe 3.
4. Counting this one.
Okay. It makes for easier meals when it's all parted out.
What's going to go with the dinner tonight? Is it going to be breasts or?
Probably breasts. I could probably just use these. I'm not gonna worry about the wings. I'm just gonna put this whole thing. And I might make these boneless, skinless later. So while Amy's parting out the chickens and cleaning them up, I go ahead and start vacuum sealing the parts because they seem to vacuum seal a lot easier than a whole chicken. So I start with the parts, label them, and today is July of 24. What?
Yes,
24?
July of 24.
Oh, July of 24. I'm like, it's not July 24 yet.
No, July of 24. So 875. We keep it easy with our marking. Boneless, skinless breast, 0.75 pounds, month in the year. And then we'll put it in the freezer. Yeah, where's the room? Let's just stick it. Nope, that's not gonna go there for now.
I gotta clean that freezer out. Maybe just pile it up for now?
Yeah, I put the parts in piles.
Okay, because I have room in the freezer outside for these.
Okay.
These can be leg quarters.
So we got 2 packs of leg quarters, and then I'll make 1 pack of
Boneless, skinless.
thigh. Okay.
You recording?
Yes. I pack the front legs and pack the back legs. What?
Nothing.
Interesting, the size difference.
Well, it was one of those was a rooster, so he was pretty big.
Okay. And on chicken packing days, I probably wash my hands more than anything. Because what I tend to do is after I put the pieces or parts in a bag, have everything all set up.
Annie. What are you barking at?
I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I don't know what she's barking at. But then it's just in the bag, in the sealer, press the button, and wait. There we go. Once the light goes out, press the button. This sealer that we're using seals in 2 bars. The other one we have, it is different. And the seal looks a lot different too, so. But just using this one today. Okay. Then from there, get over here, I've already teared out my scale to the bag that I'm using. So it's 0.94 pounds. These are leg quarters. And today is 7 of 24. This one was 1.43 pounds. And I'm just going to stick these in the freezer again for now.
So one thing I do with these leg quarters is I'll actually make them boneless, skinless, dark meat. So I'll just cut all the meat off of there, put that in my stock pot, and this makes for a really good, like, throw it in the crock pot, put some Asian flair on it, and just let it simmer, and it's really good. But there's 4 of them there.
Is that all of it?
Yeah. it's a little more work on this end, but on one of those days, you're like thankful that you've put the work in ahead of time. All right. So I've got 4 birds over here, 4 carcasses, and then I threw in a couple of feet. I've got a couple of the legs. So I'm going to throw a bunch of water in here and let that simmer for probably 48 hours or more. Then I'll add some spices to it, and hopefully I'll have some time to can it up. If I don't have time to can it, then I'll freeze it. But that's some of the best stock you're gonna find is when you make it yourself. Do you want?
Just for the record, it was just under 1.5 pounds, 1.38 pounds.
Now the hard part.
Yep.
It's not really hard, it's just more of a challenge. So that's leaking a lot. Missed.
No, I don't want to go in.
It's like going into the cone, it's different. Actually, put them all in backwards.
All right, so I'm gonna put water in here, get this going, like I said, about 48 hours or more. And then I've got another crock pot here. We had 2 ducks. Well, we still have 2 ducks. They're just in this crock pot now. I'm just gonna cook them up and just pull all the meat off and probably make them into duck pot pies. I have some friends who absolutely love it when I make pot pies. So that is going. I've got 2 crock pots going over there. One, I'm making that plum butter. That's something new for me. And then the other one, I've got some dinner going in it. And you can just ask my kids. My girls know that I've got this crock pot thing. I don't think I can never have too many crock pots, but this is why, because I use them. So anyway.
So not counting dinner tonight, which is 4 breasts. Yeah, 4 breasts, hearts and livers. Not counting what Amy already put in the crock pot to make broth. Not counting the 2 ducks. We are putting in the freezer 26.74 pounds of chicken. It wasn't hard to do, just takes a little bit of time.